At some point, an elderly person was having a walk around the woods when he unexpectedly saw a little feline trapped in an opening. Poor people creature was attempting to get out. Along these lines, he gave him his hand to get him out. Be that as it may, the feline scratched his hand with dread. The man pulled his hand shouting with torment. In any case, he didn't stop. He attempted to give a hand to the feline over and over. One more man was watching the scene, shouted with shock, "For God's sakes, quit helping this feline. He will get himself out of there." The other man couldn't have cared less about him. He recently kept saving that creature until he at last succeeded, and afterward he strolled to that man and said, "Child, feline senses makes him scratch and to damage, and I must cherish and mind."